I was rafting down the Rio Grande, oh, rafting down the Rio Grande, oh. Me and me Uncle Benji, oh, me and me Uncle Ben. Said he raft back up in a big rock stone, raft back up in a big rock, and it raft on over, oi, raft on over, oi, Lord. Good morning, boys and girls. It's story time. Story time, story time, story time. Story time, story time, story time, story time. When my teacher begins to read, I don't talk or play at all. Oh, I love to listen when it's story time. Oh, story time, story time, story time, story time, story time, story time. Sit back, boys and girls, it's story time. Grab a chair, sit on the mat, sit and be quiet. Shh. Listening time. Okay, boys and girls, today our story is entitled, or the title of our story is The Three Little Pigs. The Three Little Pigs. And we're going to do a prediction guide today. Parents, please help them with this. So a prediction guide basically helps you to predict, it tells what happened next in a storyline. So to predict means to tell. So you're going to guess. Basically, they're going to guess what will happen, what they think will happen. So here, the first thing you're going to write down is, will the fox eat the pigs? Tick yes or no. So they will tick, if they think the fox will eat the pig, they will tick that, either yes or no. Do you think the pigs and the fox will be best friends? Tick yes or no. So that's our prediction guide. So did someone say yes, the fox will eat the pigs? All right, you are predicting. Let us see if your answer will be right at the end of the story. Someone said they will be best friend. Okay, let us see. So prediction means to guess. It's prediction time. It's prediction time. It's prediction time. It's prediction time. Oh, you have to do some guessing to tell what will happen next. You have to do some guessing to tell what will happen next. Oh, it's prediction time. It's prediction time. You have to do some guessing to tell what will happen next. You have to do some guessing to tell what will happen next. Three little pigs. Once upon a time, there were three little pigs. They lived in a small cottage with their mommy. But one day, they decided to go out on their own and build their houses. Mommy Pig was so sad and she waved goodbye to the three little pigs. Off they went. The first little pig said, I want to make a house of straws. So he went ahead, bought some straws, and he built a straw house. The second little pig made a house of sticks. He thought this was fine. The third little pig made a house of bricks. So the three of them came together at a party because they built their own house. And they was like, hip hip hooray, we have our own house. A house of straw, a house of stick, and a house of bricks. But to their surprise, there was a wolf. The big bad wolf was out. He saw the little pig in his straw house. He said, ha 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 ha, I am going to eat this little pig. He went by and he said, okay, knock, knock, knock on the door. Boom, boom, boom. Who is there? Shouted the little pig. It's me, the big bad wolf. Open the door. No, I won't let you in. Okay, I'm going to huff, and I'm going to puff, and I'm going to blow your house in. So the little pig began to tremble. Oh, I'm so scared. So let's say this is my straw. And the big bad wolf huff, puff, and he blew the house down. Down came the house. The little pig ran his brother's house. Up to the stick house, the wolf come. I'm coming too. I'm hunting the pigs. He went to the stick house. Boom, boom, boom on the door. Little pigs, let me in. Not by the hair of a chin. Huh? Okay, I'm going to huff and puff and blow your house down. So he huffed, puffed. Here's the stick house, and he blew the house down. The little pigs ran over to their brother's brick house. They were so scared. They began to cry, little brother, let us in. The wolf wants to eat us. The brother who built the brick house said, don't worry, my brothers. My house is strong, made of bricks. No big bad wolf can get us. So the wolf came up laughing because he was very victorious in blowing down the two houses. So he said, yes, I got them now. Knock, knock, knock on the door. Boom, boom, boom. Little pigs, let me in. Not by the hairs of a chains. Okay, I'm going to huff and puff and blow your house down. So he began to huff. He began to tire the house. Can you blow down a wall or a brick house? Try blowing down your brick house. The house, he became tired and tired. I can't blow this house down. He was out of breath. He was blowing. And then he had a great idea. I am going on the roof and I'm going to go down in that chimney. I'm going to get them. He climbed on the roof, up in the chimney. The pigs had a plan. They put a pot on the fire and put water in it, and the water began to bubble. Come on, bubble water, bubble. And the water boiled up and it was very hot. Hot. And the wolf jumped in the pot of hot water. See, whoa, somebody help me. Somebody help me. I'm burning. Somebody help me. And the wolf ran away. And that was the end of the big bad wolf. And the pigs lived happily ever after. All right, we're at the end of the story, and the three little pigs lived happily ever after. Woo! I'm so happy for them and that they got the chance to get rid of that naughty wolf. Now, we're going back to our prediction guides, because at the beginning of my story, I told you that you are going to predict, means to guess, and then we are going to go back to the guides. So the first question was, will the wolf eat the pigs? Who said yes? Who said no? If you said yes, your predictions were wrong. If you said no, you were correct. Second one was, will the wolf and the pigs become best friends and live happily ever after? Who said yes or no? No, they weren't friends. He ran away. Some stories said he died, but he ran away in my story. So if you said yes, they will become friends, your predictions were wrong. If you said no, you were right. And that's basically it for our story this morning. Have yourself a wonderful day, boys and girls. Peace out.